Hello and welcome back to Mavic Air 2 tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to prepare for your first flight. Making sure you know the basics before takeoff, please make sure the remote controller is set to normal mode. Ensure the propellers are properly attached. The battery is secure and the gimbal protector has been removed. First, download the DJI Fly App. Access the App Store in your smartphone. Search for DJI Fly, and then download the app. Activating the aircraft. Lucky for you, Mavic Air 2 and the remote controller come already linked. All you have to do is open the DJI Fly app and follow the instructions to activate the aircraft. Before flight, once you've found a great location for takeoff, place Mavic Air 2 on level ground. Remember that the aircraft should be facing outward with the rear closest to you. Open up the DJI Fly app. Make sure the aircraft and remote controller are linked, and then tap Go Flight. Tap Safety and set the RTH height higher than the tallest building or object near you. Set the RC mode to normal before takeoff. Tap the auto takeoff icon at the left side of the screen. Tap and hold the icon that pops up, and then Mavic Air 2 will automatically take off. After takeoff, the icon will change to auto landing for when you decide to land. When it's time for Mavic Air 2 to land, tap the auto landing icon and hold. Then Mavic Air 2 will automatically land. If you prefer to do things manually, hold both control sticks all the way to the bottom of the controller and then push inwards or outwards. When the propellers start to rotate, gently push the left control stick up and Mavic Air 2 will take off. Keep in mind that the left control stick is used to control your flying altitude and the direction Mavic Air 2 is facing. The right joystick is used to enable the aircraft to fly forward, backward, and to either side. If you have powered on the motors, but the aircraft has not taken off, hold down the left control stick and the motors will power off. If Mavic Air 2 is already in the air, hold down the left control stick and the aircraft will begin to land. You can also view flight information such as distance flown and speed at the bottom of the screen. Tap the icon at the right side of the screen to take photos, videos, or quick shots. Tap the gallery icon to view or download photos and videos. The camera parameter menu at the bottom right can be used to adjust parameters. You can also adjust the gimbal pitch and control camera by using the gimbal dial and the shutter record button. Tap the RTH button on the left side of the screen and hold, or press the RTH button on the remote controller and hold to initiate RTH. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now, enjoy your first flight with Mavic Air 2. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description.